Alright, today a pretty cool gift from the folks over at YATA Pet Picture Frame Kit. This is a picture frame for your dog, or this is a picture frame for your pet. Let's open this up. Don't really know what that is yet. That's it. Alright, so we got like the powder stuff we'll need. We got some stuff for a name. Full little instruction booklet here. And then this is the actual picture frames. See? Look at that. So then, you know, you can put your paw print over here, you put your picture over here, and you set it somewhere in your house, and it's nice to remember. So now let's make his paw print, and let's put this thing together. Alright, so step number one is to take the clay and warm it up in your hands for what, 2 to 3 minutes?
2 to 5.
2 to 5
Until
minutes.
it becomes soft.
Alright. Hi, Zappy. Alright, so we flattened it out. Once we make the print, we're going to use the purple thing.
That was convenient.
Hi, Zappy.
Come here, my protein. Wanna be left-handed like Daddy?
Aww.
Oh no.
Oh, I got it. Look at that.
Some blemishes.
No, it's perfect. You can cut right above that line there. She's going all out, putting the date and everything. Very, very nice.
It's not completely straight.
Either way,
I love it.
let's make this a square now. I don't know if that was the proper way, but that's how we did it. It works though. And now there's just some extra, and then that should harden, and hopefully I can use my desk tomorrow though. So once this dries, we just put it in the frame with the picture, and we're all done.